Hey guys, what's going on? This is your boy B May Worldwide, Team Six Figures, MyEcon, and I want to give you guys the opportunity to talk about what's going on with MyEcon. Now, MyEcon is only $27.95 right now. I do not know when the deal ends, but if you guys have been skeptical about joining MyEcon, now's the time to join it. I joined MyEcon because I just needed some extra money. I needed some. And all you got to do is post YouTube videos like this. All you got to do is post ads on your Facebook, like the ones you see on my wall. And you guys can even copy the ones that are on my wall. I mean, it's so easy. I'm giving you guys the training. I'm giving you guys peace of mind. Like, I want you guys to realize that this opportunity does not come few far in between. So it works like this, okay? You sign up for MyEcon by hitting the link below this video. Now, then you're going to put in your username, whatever you want your username to be. You guys are going to get a little website, but I'm going to help you guys out with a sales funnel because that's the trick to making this thing work, okay? I'm going to give you guys a sales funnel. That way, any traffic that you drive to your website, I mean, it's a no-brainer. So I'm going to tell you the steps on how MyEcon works and then how you get paid. Okay, so check this out. Everybody on YouTube watching me right now, this is easy. If you guys want to make thousands of dollars a week, okay, a residual income, that means you do the work once and you get paid for it for the life term of your membership. Now, the reason why you're going to get residuals is because people are going to keep on paying their monthly fee because they're making money. You know what I'm saying? So. And the goal is to give them everything that I'm about to teach you right now. So, you join MyEcon, okay? You click the link below. You'll come to a sales funnel, okay? That's my sales funnel. It's the exact same sales funnel that I'm going to give to you guys. And then I'm going to actually shoot you guys an email when you join to join my Facebook group. That's going to have all your training inside. That's going to teach you guys how to get sales, how to get leads, how to talk to people. Even if you don't know how to talk to people, I will teach you exactly what to say. And I'm not stingy. I'm going to actually help you close some of the people for you. All you got to do is just text me and be like, hey, so-and-so wants some information about MyEcon. You might not even made no money with it yet, but I just want to get you guys your first 3 people. And then once you see some money coming in and you see that you have a paycheck in your back office, you ain't going to want to quit. You are not going to want to quit. So, sign up from the link below. It's $27.95 right now. Today's date is, hold on, I'm going to pull down my screen, December 6th. And that's the day that I'm actually recording this video. So, it's $27.95 right now. It could go back up to $49.95 anytime. But if you guys join through me, it's $27.95. So sign up. You guys are going to put in all your information. You guys are going to fill out your W-9. You got to have your W-9 filled out because you're going to be making some serious money. And yes, you're going to have to pay taxes on it, but it's not going to come out automatically. You're going to have to do that at the end of the year, okay? So once you start making over $1,500, which you will, you're going to have to start, keeping track of your taxes and things like that. So once you sign up, you'll go through our sales funnel. I want you guys to go through step 2. Step 2 is where you're going to sit there and click the link in the video. Then you're going to sign up, and then from there, you guys are now a MyEcon member. Okay. So then from there, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to make your guys' own Facebook group. And like I said, all that training is inside of my Facebook group, but I want you guys to end up having your own. And the reason why is because you can send people to your Facebook group, okay? Then I want you guys to go add me as a friend on Facebook. Kind of look at the stuff I post, okay? Don't post about sales constantly. Just, you're going to have to change your mindset. And if you want to make money, you're going to have to change your mindset. You're going to have to change the people you hang around. You're going to have to even delete friends, and you'll find people are going to delete you because you are promoting an opportunity and you're winning. So you're going to do just that. And sorry guys, I'm driving. I do work a full-time job. I'm in construction. There's nothing wrong with that. I just want to prove to you that you guys can still be working a job, whether it's at McDonald's, whether you're a construction worker, whether you're a lawyer, a doctor. If you guys want to make extra money, you guys can do this with MyEcon. Now, on top of the $1,500 a week to $2,000 a week that MyEcon pays me, okay, I get a check from my job as well. Until I am making the money that I want to make, and I'm talking about EVP Platinum, okay, that means I want 800 people in my downline, and I'm getting there, but I'm not there yet. I'm not going to quit my job, and like I said, and I'm not going to tell you to quit your job. I want you guys making money. I want you guys, I don't know how to fathom it. I could show you guys a whole bunch of $100 bills right now, and I want to eventually show you guys my back office, but I just want you guys to I'm giving you guys an opportunity. This is a business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not you're going to make $1,000 overnight. Now, you will get sales and sign-ups, and I want you guys to be efficient when you guys are doing it. So that's why I want you guys to be able to join my Facebook group. I want you guys to follow what I do. That way it makes you the best of the best, okay? Now, when you join MyEcon, I want you guys, if you guys don't have a YouTube, which apparently you guys do because you guys are watching me right now, I'm going to teach you guys how to record videos. I'm going to teach you guys how to put headers on your videos that get you traffic, and then they're going to click the link below the video, okay? So I'm basically breaking down the steps on everything that you have to do to be successful with MyEcon. And then that's when the $2,000 to $3,000 paychecks come in every week. Record one video every other day. And then guess what? YouTube doesn't cost any money. It's free to post a video on YouTube. You're gonna get hundreds of people watching your video every week, okay? And because they're gonna be skeptical, they're gonna wanna know about MyEcon. I mean, think about why you landed on this page. Think about it. It's either the header of what it says on top, up above this, or below this video, the title of the video, or it was because you were skeptical about MyEcon and you thought it was a scam, okay? And you were skeptical and you're thinking about joining, but you just need some questions answered. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put my phone number below. I'm going to put my Facebook below. I want to put my Facebook group below, okay? I want you to like and subscribe to this video, okay? Hit the like button, subscribe to the video. That way you guys get all my training free of charge, okay? All my training free of charge just by liking and subscribing to this video. Guys, I'm Brendon May, and I want you guys to be really successful. So now that you've heard the information, okay, just like you did with the Lord, you would have heard of him, okay, once before you end up dying. I'm telling you about a great business opportunity, okay? The same people that are with MyEcon will tell you the same thing. And if there's somebody that you'd rather join under, you guys can join under them as well. It's not gonna hurt me. I just wanna sit there and give you guys value. I wanna give you guys the opportunity to join somebody that's actually winning with MyEcon. I want you guys to experience your first paychecks, your first sales, and I want you guys just to be able to go out and have anything you want on the dinner menu. I want you guys to be able to go out and buy any presents that you guys want. I want you guys to go out and be able to buy a new car. I want you guys to actually build your credit, okay? And the cool thing about MyEcon is they teach you everything that you need to know on how to build your credit. We have a debt elimination software in there. It's going to teach you guys how to fix your W-4 at your current job. Like I changed mine, and I get $50 extra back on each paycheck. So that's actually an extra $200 a month. Sorry, I was about to say a week. A month that I get on my paycheck just because I joined MyEcon. Okay, so it's not all about making money, but that's the ultimate reason why you want to join. But the other ultimate reason why you want to join is because you want to build your credit. And once you build your credit, endless opportunities are available to you. You can purchase a new car on a lease. You can get approved for a house. These are things you need to be thinking about. And in my 20s, I was not thinking about this. I was thinking about running my credit inquiries everywhere, applying for Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, applying for a car place here, knowing I wasn't even going to get approved. They would shoot me with 15 credit inquiries. It was ridiculous. And like I said, if you guys don't know your credit score, guys, you guys can download Credit Karma right now, and it's going to let you know what your TransUnion and your Equifax is right away. And then if you want to know your Experian, and this is for free, guys. These are free apps that are available to you. You don't have to pay. You should never have to pay for your credit report. Also, you can download Experian, and I'm going to give you guys a cool tip. If you guys pay your cell phone bill every month with that card that's linked to your account, Experian has something called Experian Boost, and it will even boost up your credit a few credit points. So like if you pay gas and electric every month and you've been doing it on time, then it'll boost up your credit as well. So sorry guys, I'm driving and I'm not supposed to be driving and being on the phone, but like I said, I'm able to work a job and manage MyEcon, and it's just so lovely. And it's Friday, December 6th. I get to go home with the family. I get to chill, guys, and just relax. Drink some beer. I'm a real person. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything and be all salesy and professional. MyEcon is the way. And if you guys want a way, the ultimate goal is you need to take action right now, okay? And not tomorrow, not next week, not in a month from now, not next year. You need to take advantage of it right now, because I'm going to give you guys all my training, and you guys are going to have my personal phone number. I would appreciate it if you guys do not contact me unless you actually join and take action, because one, that shows me that you're serious. But even if you guys don't join under me, I hope I was able to answer some questions for you guys that you guys maybe were, I don't know, you guys were confused about, or you guys thought it was a scam, or you guys thought it wasn't legit. Well, MyEcon is legit, okay? So anyways, guys, hit the like and subscribe button, please, for me. It's free to do. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you, guys. Take care and enjoy your weekend.